This is how your boots should look when finished.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm kind of new to this with the recording and the voiceover, so kind of bear with me, but I guarantee you as time progresses, I will improve. So what you see me doing now is cutting off the chains to the emoji bears. So in total, I have about 250-60 bears that I needed to complete this project. So at some point during this video, I will be speeding it up because I think you guys kind of get the idea of what you need to do first. These are the boots that I got from Ross that I used to create this look. So you definitely want to take off all the tags. And this is the bag that I got from TJ Maxx, a True Religion bag. So you want to get a bag that's kind of sturdy, like pretty hard at the bottom, that stands up. See how it's, I'm showing you how sturdy it is. And you need cloth. So don't get leather. Try to stay away from leather, as those emojis might come off. So you want to avoid that. And that goes for the shoes too. You want to get the boots that are like cloth, cotton-like. Anything other than leather. And there's the glue stick that you're going to need. Any glue stick would work pretty good. And I used the Gorilla Glue for this project as well. Just so you know, there's no special way of how you want or how you should place them. You just do whatever and kind of fill in the pieces. And for mine, I wanted to kind of get rid of any type of gaps as much as I could. Okay, so I'm going to kind of speed it up, like really speed it up, because you guys kind of get how you're supposed to do it. And yeah, this is the final look, guys. This is everything. And I'm not going to do the second boot on camera because I did it off camera. But this is how. And here you see me kind of going around the boot to see if there's any like gaps. And I'm just kind of like pushing them together with the glue gun. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I got so much more in store for you guys. So yeah, Over time, I will improve, but hopefully this helps you guys to make this beautiful piece. Thanks for watching.